Islamic Institute of Hotel Management. At the moment, an F&B service practical is going on, and I'd like all our viewers to see what's happening out there. Come on in.
Today we'll have a demonstration of 3 or 4 different methods. First way is the shaking method. The second thing is that a very basic method of stirring our drinks. The third way is a blending. Today we are going to make a Pina Colada. Finally we'll be making a stirred drink, which is basically Blue Lagoon. So basically a muddled drink, a blended drink. A muddled drink will be a Mojito. The blended drink will be a Pina Colada. The shaken and topped up drink will be and layered drink will be sunrise. And stirred drink will be what? Blue Lagoon. This is how we will be putting some granite float. Granite is basically pomegranate flavored syrup. This being the viscous liquid, more heavy liquid, will sink down and will give a sunrise effect to the. Let us see how it is done. On the back of the spoon, we put the drink, put the syrup gently. To give it a sunrise effect. The viscosity of this two drink made this floated gone down. We will garnish it with orange peel, which I have already made it, and a very simple garnish. That's our layered drink. You can give it a stirrer stick while presenting to the guests, so that guests can stir the whole drink up, and you can take the generate some mint leaves. And what cut we generally do with the leafy vegetables? Chiffonade. Okay, chiffonade is the cut. So let's have a chiffonade rolling there itself. Let's give some fresh mint leaves there. And some more as a snapping. So what we do is we take the mint leaves on your palm and we snap the mint. What happens with this? The bitterness of the mint leaves gets extracted, and you can roll the mint leaves on the top of the glass and just pour it down. After that, what we will do is putting some lemon chunks there to make your mojito bit outstanding. What I will be using is bit of Demerara sugar, we call it the brown sugar, on the glass. And we gently muddle all the ingredients. You can use a fresh muddler set, but what I feel is you can make your drink in the glass itself, the flavor to be muddled in the glass. That will make your drink more good to taste. That's the thing which I have got. Now we'll be using a bit of Mojito mix syrup. Not a much, because these will make your drink a bit bitter. Spoonful bit is enough. You get a fresh feel of the mint, and now we'll be putting some ice. Ice is very important in any of our mixed drinks. Top it up with glasses. Allow it the infusion to happen. Meanwhile, just give it a stir. Stirring the mojito is very essential, because then all your mixed drinks or the flavor which has just gone down will be mixing up to make your final product. Top it up more with soda. be served in this pineapple shell. We'll be making the classical Pina Colada, to which we'll be adding ice first, because you know when we are putting everything in the blender, it will generate lots of heat. So, and this heat will ultimately make everything bitter. So let's not give so much bitterness in our life. Let's put some pineapple chunks. These pineapples are not very sweet in nature. I have added a bit of sugar to make it a bit sweeter. Let's see how we add. That is 4 ounces, which is roughly around 120. Some desiccated coconut. These are dried coconuts. Since the pineapple is not sweet enough, I'm giving some sugar syrup. And some cream. You can give some pineapple crush. It gives a great color, but try to use it as less as possible, because these are artificial colors. Evenly done. Here I'll be adding a bit more of pineapple juice to make it a bit lighter. Slowly mix it. And we give a gentle stir. If you can double strain the ingredient. This. Some drink require lots of garnishes. Give multiple garnishes. This and out of some of this. This becomes a very unique drink. You can give fresh pineapple leaves also, of which I'll be giving some lemon juice. Now we'll be using a syrup called blue curacao. Blue curacao is a syrup made from orange peel. So we'll be adding some syrup of this orange peel, which is known as blue curacao. Blue in color on the cocktail shaker. Not much, because when we add this blue color, it is very thick and viscous. Our shaker here. Give it a nice shake. You find the shaker gets chilled enough. Now you know that the shaking has already been done. On the glass, let's put some ice. And let's strain